In this video I'm going to be replacing these scabby old wing mirror glasses. Now the only reason I'm replacing them is because they're peeling away on the outside, and these are the original ones to the vehicle. The eBay seller I got these from had stuff for everything, not just a VW Corrado, which this is. I've got 3 items. So in the box I've got the back-ends, heated elements, and the all-important glass. So I've opted for the blue shade glass with a little bit of a convex. A little plastic scraper. Push it all the way to the end. Just try it. And mine is heated, so I'm going to take that to the box. 1989. There we go. Here is the original one. A little spray WD-40. So I've worked out which mirror is which, as they are sided. You can see that one's a different shape. So we have got a left and a right. So I've worked out which one's which and making sure that the blue bit is facing down. So I'm going to stick on these bits first. So there's a little bit of an instruction that you'll need to either trim this or move these connectors around in case it overlaps, but if we look at it, fine. So I'm going to degrease that one. Just got a little bit of panel wipe on there. Degrease that with a bit of panel wipe. It's a bit where you've got to get it dead central, using that one for reference. So on these aftermarket ones, it's not as essential to get it 100% lined up, whereas these were very positionally made. Point is the distance from here to here, which mine is 27mm. And that will get it 27mm. Let's get that sticky back off. See where the heating element is. It's 26mm. And just push it on. Yeah, have that in. So I'm just going to put a little bit of silicone grease that's left over from set of pads just on the back. Yeah, and that's on. That's on now. Let's stop there. Yep, and that's on. That looks so much better. So you can just see the gap is fairly even all the way around. I'm going to have to adjust the mirror. So much clearer. It makes a massive difference to the car. Now, I wasn't too short on the actual fitment on the back on, just pushing it on. It just felt it could have been so much better. Just those clips could have been better quality, or should I say just a little bit bigger, and those brackets are clearly copy ones. So I think if I was doing it again, I'd consider about just putting the glass, possibly a heating element, on the original backing plate. But I got 2 obsolete mirrors for 23 quid, so I can't moan at that, and it really improves it. So I'm going to leave links in the description below to the eBay seller I bought it from. Well, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!